In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automatic serial numbers in Excel. We'll be using a very simple formula that automatically generates serial numbers for your records. And the nice thing about this method is that it's quick, clean, and easy to reuse in other worksheets. If you regularly work with lists such as employee records, customer data, inventory, or any kind of table, this can save you time and help keep your numbering consistent. To begin, open Microsoft Excel. Once Excel is open, create a simple sample table. In cell A1, enter the heading Serial No, and in cell B1, enter Employee Name. Then, under Employee Name, enter a few sample entries in cells B2 through B6. You can use names like John Smith, Sarah Johnson, Michael Brown, Emily Davis, and David Wilson. This gives you a basic list that we can use to demonstrate how the automatic numbering works. Next, click on cell A2. This is where the first serial number will appear. In that cell, type the formula equals row, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, -1. Written out, the formula is equals row, then parentheses, then -1. After entering the formula, press Enter. What this formula does is return the current row number and then subtract 1. Since cell A2 is on row 2, Excel calculates 2 minus 1, which gives you 1. That becomes your first serial number. This works well because your header is in row 1 and your actual data starts in row 2. Now that the first serial number is in place, move your cursor back to cell A2 and locate the fill handle, which is the small square in the bottom right corner of the selected cell. Click and drag it downward through the remaining rows of your data. As you drag, Excel copies the formula down and automatically updates the row reference for each line. You should now see the serial numbers appear in order beside each employee name, starting with 1 for the first entry and continuing down to 5 for the last one in this example. The result is a neatly numbered list that aligns with your data. One important tip to remember is that if your data starts on a different row, you'll need to adjust the formula. For example, if your first data row starts on row 5, use equals row open parenthesis close parenthesis -4 instead. That way, the first serial number will still begin at 1. And that's it. You now know how to create automatic serial numbers in Excel using a simple formula.